Hey guys, I'm John Martin and welcome to Know from ABJ. Like you guys have seen in the title, I'm gonna speak about what if Jupiter was a star. Why do I ask this question? Well, you look into space. There are billions of galaxies with billions of star systems in each of them. And the majority of star systems are singular star systems like our own. Because singular star systems are easier to form rather than multiple star systems. Our solar system is much more unique than what we really think it is. The first thing that makes our solar system much more unique is that it has a large number of planets. Normally when we observe other solar systems or other multiple star systems, we don't find these many planets. We only find 3 to 4 planets, but our solar system has 8 to 9 planets. I don't mean Pluto as a planet because Pluto is just part of the Kepler belt, but theory suggests the existence of a 9th planet beyond the Kepler belt. And our solar system is also an equally distributed one. There is a clear distinction between the gas planets and the rocky planets. There is this asteroid belt which divides the rocky planets and the gas planets, and there is another Kepler belt which also divides the inner solar system and the outer solar system. Well, the boundaries of our solar system is not within the Kepler belt, but it's too far away. It's about Another fact that makes our solar system unique is that it has 3 planets which has the capacity to host life. The first planet is Mars. Mars is considered to be a planet that had hosted life a long time ago but lost it eventually because of the loss of a magnetic field, a strong magnetic field. Then comes Earth, which has hosted life so complex that it has questioned its own existence. And with the discovery of phosphine in its atmosphere, Venus is also has the potential to host life. Now moving on, why did I choose Jupiter? Look at its size. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. It is so massive that it actually doesn't revolve around the Sun, but the Sun and Jupiter has a common axis of revolution, which is a bit in front of the Sun. Its mass is so high that it has a large magnetic field. It also hosts 62 moons for itself, but compared to Earth, it's a large one. Moreover, it is mostly comprised of hydrogen, which is the fuel for stars. Jupiter is so massive that it stops asteroids coming from or meteorites coming from the inner solar system by deflecting them back towards it. If Jupiter didn't exist, maybe life on Earth wouldn't have been possible. The origin of Jupiter is also something interesting. Let's discuss how a star is formed. A big gas cloud, at the center point, the gas cloud starts spinning and a point of high pressure and high temperature develops. It reaches a point where hydrogen atoms fuse and nuclear fusion takes place. After this nuclear fusion, a big explosion takes place, leading to the birth of a new star. This is how the Sun was formed. We expect the hydrogen cloud to be uniform in all directions, but thanks to Heisenberg's principle, we cannot actually point out the position of any particle in any place. So there will be regions of high concentration of particles and low concentration of particles. So a point of a high concentration region started to spin around, and that was baby Jupiter. But it was a bit late, and when it was trying to accumulate more hydrogen gas, the Sun exploded its existence. So yeah, Jupiter didn't get so much massive enough to ignite its own core to nuclear fusion. Now, let's talk what if Jupiter had become a star. It's very insane to say Jupiter had become a star, Jupiter star. So I'm gonna call it Juno star for easiness. If Jupiter was supposed to be a minimum star, then Juno star would have been 75 times more massive than Jupiter, and its surface temperature will be 2000 Kelvin. But there's a problem. As I told you earlier, when a star comes into existence, it actually explodes. This explosion would have sent so many asteroids into the inner solar system, thereby creating collisions between planets and asteroids, and it will create a rearrangement in the inner solar system. Earth and the other planets won't be the same. Maybe there will be more number of small planets, or there will be a giant planet. And life would not be so possible because not only the distance from the star matters, there are many other factors like electromagnetic field and the presence of vital elements. What if life had existed even after Juno star had came into existence? It would be massive because, half of the year we'll have two stars, the sun and a Juno star in the sky, and for the other half we won't have complete nights or no nights at all. If you guys like this video, press the thumbs up icon and please leave your comments about what if Jupiter had become a star in the comment box. And you can also suggest topics on which we can do videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm John Martin, signing off.